It was early in that first year of the pandemic in our neighborhood, the Outer Sunset District of San Francisco. Walking down the blocks, you'd often come across whimsical spaces created by neighbors. The spaces were a welcome relief from the tedium of lockdown while walking the same route over and over again. Entertaining the kids was a major theme. There were surprise gifts and games of counting rainbows or bears in windows, or even dinosaurs. Some spaces were amazingly elaborate. My favorite was on our regular walk far down the street, where a woman created a series of about 20 elaborate fairy gardens spread over an entire block and best viewed at kid level. I enjoyed meeting her one day while she was creating one of the scenes, using tiny blue rocks to form a lake. She said, "I just wanted to make something fun for the kids." One of her neighbors, who provided land for the fairy gardens to blossom down the whole block, was also outside that day. Her words, "Hey, I'm just the gardener, she's the artist." And she seemed delighted with the fairy gardens blooming in her yard. It tickled me to come across hidden and unexpected delights while walking the neighborhood streets. And from the laughter and giggles I heard from kids on the street, it tickled them too.